After months of being shut down, the mine's largest wash plant is finally ready for pay dirt. But this forces another issue for Todd. The claim will need another excavator.
We're kind of dead in the water. We need another excavator. We can't run everything and do all the things that we need to do. We got issues. We need this excavator.
Todd has leased an excavator, which is meeting 13 miles south of the mine.
Here he comes. Here comes the excavator now.
At a place where another decision must be made.
How's it going, Todd? Andy?
What do you think, man? We got a 330 excavator. It's pretty heavy. We just rented it for 2 months, but we need it bad. If we have to take it through the river, we got a lot of problems that could happen. It is heavy. It is a low boy. And this river is actually going up, not going down. It's been raining and it's deep, but we've done it before. Might have to do it again. Hopefully we won't. We'll see what happens.
Well, I think this excavator's a little too heavy for this bridge.
It's been hit before.
Somebody already hit it with the boom of an excavator.
Be a little bit of a gamble.
What do you mean by a little?
Their only other option is to cross the river in the excavator.
How deep do you think it is?
Right now, it's probably 20, 30 feet.
No,
I mean, easily.
That's a little too deep.
We could always try it in a couple days.
We don't have a couple days. I don't know. What do you think, Dad?
I don't think you're gonna make it. I think we're gonna be up over the seat, and that's only 6 feet.
What's the worst thing that can happen out there?
Well, you lose the excavator,
What do you mean, lose it?
sink it.
I'll tell you what, I got an idea. Why don't we walk that excavator out there? We'll stick the arm in there and see how deep it is.
Sounds like a plan.
Time is of the essence. We need that excavator.
We've done rivers before.
Hang on. Go. Keep going, keep going.
They've all been sketchy and dangerous, but you know what? We always seem to make it across. Hopefully, we'll make it again. Hunter, get in there, poke your way across, reach out, and feel the depth. I mean, I don't know what else option we have. Okay?
Okay.
All right, let's go. Whatever we got to do, we got to get it done. Hopefully, we don't have any major issues.
The Hoffmans have decided it's best to send their rented excavator through the river rather than across the bridge and risking collapse.
This bridge can't take a lot of weight and tall equipment. It looks like it's way too deep to me. We can't get the house of that excavator wet. It's got all the electronics in it, and we sure as heck can't sink it because Todd can't afford to buy it right now. That excavator is probably worth at least 100 grand.
These guys are from here, and they seem nervous about it, so it doesn't really give me any confidence.
What's our chances of getting through this river?
I'd say it's a 50-50 shot.
For us, it's actually pretty good.
The one thing that we know is we've got to have this excavator to get that gold out of the ground. So that's what we're going to do.
Do your best. I mean, it is what it is. Let's try it.
All right.
What do you think? We're good there?
And let's see how deep it is out there.
Put your stick in.
I can't say it's foolhardy, but it's been raining, and this river's up.
I'm gonna keep going.
Go ahead, take it a little farther.
3 or 4 feet at a time.
Drops off quite a
It
bit
drops
right
off.
there.
Whoa, stop.
It's a rental.
I think it's good. I'm gonna keep tracking.
Be careful.
Keep that bucket out there, dude. Just a little bit to the right, Hunter. A little bit to the right. I don't like it.
I think I'm good. I think I can go a little bit farther at least.
That's too deep, Todd. I'd turn around. Yeah, see that current is washing away the opposite side track there.
Yeah.
It's gonna flip over and it's all she wrote.
Let me just go a little bit farther, dude.
I don't care about losing that equipment. I don't want grandson in that water, and he's
Hey, I want to
right
cut
there.
it. I want to get out.
You know, I found the older I get, the less stupid risks I like to take. It's a case of being cautious. It's not worth losing my grandson over a darn excavator.
Yeah, I'm gonna keep going a little bit and see if it levels out.
I don't want to override you, Hunter, but
I think we should turn around and get the hell out of here before something happens.
I know you want to.
Keep going, but let's get the hell out of here.
All right, 10-4.
Bring it up, Hunter.
It's a little overweight for this bridge. It's gonna start shaking around on you a bit. You'll see stuff moving.
You think it's safe?
Yeah, I probably wouldn't wear a seatbelt because if you need to get out, you need to get out quick.
Okay.
Excavator can be replaced.
What do you think?
All right, let's do it.
I got a bad feeling about this. We're out of time. We're going for it.
Hey, watch my boom, okay? I need you to keep eyes on the sides of me and up top.
You got it. Bring it on. Shane, watch that boom for me, will you?
Okay.
Yeah, looking good.
Watch that boom.
Easy, easy.
This thing's moving, Shane. It's shaking.
Just keep that speed consistent.
Keep the speed consistent, okay?
Just like that, Hunter. Do not.
Stop. Just keep going. The thing's shaking. Don't panic.
This whole bridge is shaking right now.
Shane, is this normal?
Actually, it's worse than normal because normally it don't shake this bad, but this piece of equipment is pretty heavy.
Dude, I can feel this whole thing bouncing.
Come a little to your left, just a little bit.
I don't like the feeling of this at all. Whoa!
This is the worst I've ever seen it shake.
It's kind of scary.
Holy crap.
Don't worry about the shake. Just keep it going. Just keep coming. You're good. You're good. You're good.
That's where it was damaged right there.
Woo! We did it. I've never been on a bridge that moved that much. That's riveted. Woo!
Dude,
Good job, dude.
That one had me
glad we
worried.
made it,
Dude,
man.
tell me what'd that feel like in there? 'Cause
Dude,
it
I
was
could feel the whole
shaking.
bridge bouncing. I don't know if you guys
We
could
were
feel that.
bouncing
We're
too.
bouncing with you.
All right, we made it. Shane, grab the truck. Let's load this thing up and get out to the mine.
Let's
Okay?
do it.
Let's
Go.
do it.
Go.